Buenos tardes, everyone. Today we talk about Token2049 Dubai 2025 side events, something that I recommend to attend. You will just learn and understand how am I choosing events for myself, what kind of events would I recommend, something that you can implement for yourself, for your friends, and already have some answers from this video. So first thing, we're gonna be using the Crypto Nomads website. It's a great website. Right now I'm recording this in the beginning of April. We have 121 events. I think that by next 2-3 weeks, by the time that you're watching this in the middle of April, this should be around 200, maybe 300 even. You have ability to check out the whole side event list. There's going to be the ETH Dubai or ETH UAE or something like that, and then the whole event will start here on Monday, April 28th. So first of all, from the video that I mentioned before, if you didn't check it out, definitely do this. Go to the main event, buy tickets, and try to mix the main event. Maybe spend 2 hours there, 2-3 hours there per day, and then everything else you should be spending on side events. I would recommend aligning your event goals with your main goals in the company. So if it's a race, like don't waste time on clients, go race. If it's clients, then go look for different clients where you can find them. If you're selling B2C, you should be attending different events than the events when you're selling B2B. I'm selling B2B, I'm selling a product, so typically what I'm looking for, something that is like web-free dinner, web-free soy wrap, web-free breakfast. Typically they are very good. Then I'm also looking for the companies that are sponsoring. If I would like them as a customer, I'm signing up for that event. Staking Summit are usually very good, and I think it's going to be a very good event for staking people. Actually the best one. Here at the same day there's going to be the multi-chain day. We are going to be sponsoring this event, and this is one of the best side events that are organized for all major conferences. This is a must-have event, must-attend event. Always good speech, but at the same time the crowd there, the audience is very mixed. You have a good healthy mix of B2B people and B2C people, and from credible projects that you can go, you can have connections with, and everybody is super friendly here. I don't know, maybe the organizers just do a very nice atmosphere, but there is always a place to grab some food. There is always a quiet place to go and have a conversation, and there is always a place where everything is like very, very, very chaotic, and you can have this good conference vibe. Of course, try going for the RWA. It's a new narrative. So think about the ways how you can maybe mix your product or just make good connections. I think it's going to be a good space that's going to grow. So you would need connections there. If you're in Solana or if you are in any specific ecosystem, then of course you already know what kind of events you should go. At the same time, there's going to be Dubai, so probably you would need to prepare for this. There's going to be a lot of KOL market making, token events. Oh my god, like all these meme coins, like shit coins and all these things. It's going to be a ton of them. So, I mean, if you're into that, go. If you are if you're not into that, if you're in something more serious, avoid all those scammy odors of web-free token generation events and everything. There's going to be a ton of events for KOLs, for all of this stuff. I mean, that's Dubai. You need to face it. It's going to be useless if you're selling anything serious. So prioritize, again, it's the same thing. Institutional networking launch, I would definitely go here, even though our connection with institutional is not great. But at the same time, you go there, it's a lunch, dinner, breakfast. These kind of events, they're the best ones. Because you can meet the most amount of people. You come to an event, you spend 5 minutes there, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. If the conversation is worth it, you meet everyone that you need to meet, and then you're off to the next one before the wind can catch you. That's the best secret of side events. Ideally, if you're going to a side event and you have 3, 5, 10, 15 side events every day, depends on your availability. And the last thing, go check out the webinar that I made about going to side events. You will have ability to understand how to navigate the whole conference with the main event, with side events, how to prepare for it, how to do it during the conference, what to do after the conference. So it's very important. I want to make sure that you have most of the ROI from your event in Dubai, because you're spending money for for tickets, for flights, hotels, for dinners, for everything. So think about this. It was a pleasure, guys. All the links that you need to have are going to be in the description. The most important one is the Web3 Sales Gym link and my Telegram link if you want to connect, and be in touch.